This is what we have. Baby boy? Baby boy!
Yes, Pa.
Come here.
What can I do for you, Pa?
May I have a favor? Please go to home of this name, Santimaan Tagaybes. Okay. You proceed to home of Santimaan Tagaybes and you borrow 1,000 pesos because I have a problem for your PSA to this is important of your school, all of the requirements. Okay?
Yes, Pa.
Are you with me?
Yes, Pa.
Okay.
Where is the house of that person? Are you there? Hey, Mr. Santiman is there? Mr. Santiman! Are you there? Hey! There is no person in their house. What kind of house is this? Where is Santiman? This is the house of Santiman. Hey! This is me! Why are you there? This is my rest house. Oh, what the? I'm sleeping beside here because some of my clients were going here. Are you sleeping all night? Okay, what can I do for you? According to my father, I want my father to borrow money right now. How much money needed to your father? 1,000. Okay, I give you 1,000, then you told your father to bring back me tomorrow. You told your father, I sign your face and back this tomorrow. Can you promise me that you back it tomorrow? I promise. Okay, thank you. That one. This is mine. 1,000. Daddy, this is the 1,000.
Oh, good job, baby boy. Where is Santiman Tagaybes?
In the house.
Okay, you proceed to your restroom. Hey, proceed! Baby boy, come here! Baby boy!
Oh, what?
I remind you the rules. Don't go to piano, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Okay. Don't go to television.
Can I sleep?
Okay. You open the radio. Okay?
Yes.
Good.
Why not Mr. Kubing will never come back my money? I told his son that he come back my money tomorrow, but this is now tomorrow. Where is Mr. Kubing? Can I go with home and to get my money? Mr. Kubing, are you there?
What's that problem?
To came back my money because your son will promise me that my money revenge me.
Yes, of course. But I'm sorry, so my salary is not arrived today because according to my mayor, my salary is arrived on January 2004, last December 2, and month 26, I will promise, I will back that.
But you make the promise to make you broken.
Your money is, I want to bring you back 1,000 per a day. Then your 1,000 is earning every day 1,000 pesos. If I miss 1 month, so your 1,000 pesos is 1 million.
So when? So that I wait long time ago. I wait those money. But what should I assurance to get your money come back with me?
25 minutes too late. Throw your travel so far. Huh? Okay? But I think, this is not it eh. I think, Bisaya man siguro ka.
Ay Bisaya po ka?
Ibuang man di mo in-English diri, gipaningot na
Unsa
sa
ka may hinuon nga.
Bisaya man day ka.
Namuna to akong English, maganin ako'y tinaguang English.
Tan.
Kaya,
Nabiyahan sa rin ka na ako. Dahil kaya to, wala pa man niabot akong sweldo, Brad.
ay, mao gani, niingon man gud imong anak god nga nagsaad mo nga mubalik mo. Mubalik mo pagkasunod adlaw. Unya, gisaad ka. Mubalik ka. Unya himan-himan, imo lang kong gitaligdan. Ang pagsaad mong hilabihan. Nisugot kong imong biyaan unya pagkahiman-himan, imo lang kong gitaligdan.
Ay ko gugot-hugot eh. Ganay sa imong sistema ba, imo kong madala, batukang madala-dala ko na imong balak-balak. Hugot-hugot nimo. Kung ganahi ana.
Di man good. Kay kabalubaya ka ng saad-saaran ka unya di kasi puton.
Sa tinuod lang pre, imong kwarta ba, wa pa na ako nagasto. Napa diri, kay daghang kay kong problema, ikaw di ka kasabot sa kuha ba? Nanghiram kay ko nimo kay wala ang tao nya imong rapigitong paningil karon. Bakay kuan, ang naro. Iuli ko na si mga 1,000 akong gihiram sa imo ha. Tubuan ko nag 100 para wa kay daghang yaw-yaw. Ha? Nagpakaron ingnon ka, tubuan na raw 100. Pila ra ka lawa ko na nagamit na imong kwarta na raw. Tubuan ko nag 100 para di ka magsigyaw-yaw. Uli dito naong kag kwarta. Uli dito. Okay na ka? Okay, kabubutong tapana ka. Uli dito.
Sunod ganig, mangutang ka. Ay sig daghang yaw, ikaw pa'y nanghinahanglan, ikaw pa'y magsig yaw-yaw.
Iuli na ko na si Monay mo.
Mo gani, ay sig yaw-yaw.
Ay, kukwala ba?
Ay kung pasakit na, bago pa ba ako nasakitan.
Dito uli. Agay.
Agay! Agay!
Ay, dito uli. Ang una naman yung tumatanan, di mo kasabot sa akong sitwasyon.